So today we have a very important class because topics are almost covered. Now we have to move towards the speaking and the listening section. Okay. So we'll be starting with the speaking section today. And this is like, okay, let me check whether the three lectures. Okay. Okay. I'll type it again. No worries. So let us start with the speaking in French. French A2 speaking. The very first question that comes in exam is présentez-vous. That means present yourself. We have already done in A1 also, but in this we will do a bit in detail. Okay, so this is je m'appelle, whatever your name is, Jaspreet. You can write je m'appelle this. Then you can say j'habite à Indirapuram. You can write down Delhi, Noida, wherever you live. Then you can write your age. J. Okay, I'll write Toronto. You can write whatever your age is. Okay, J Toronto. I'm 30 years old because I'm looking like a 30 today. So you can write down 20 or 15 or 10. Je suis Indian. You can write Je suis Indian. A. Je suis né. Né means born on.
Born.
Yeah, I was born on the 2nd January 1979. That means a meal 900. Okay, Vidushi will tell. How will you speak 1979?
So 1979.
Yes, was on these enough. We can say, ma'am, directly song, or we can directly start, sorry, a meal, or we can even start with meal directly. Meal, naf, so isan, these naf. Okay, so we can follow it like this. Next is just whatever your profession is, medesa. Okay, for example, medesa, yes, MEDECIN. This is medesa. Okay, so you can write je suis professeur. Okay, then you can say il y a 4 membres. We have done in the A1. 4 membres dans ma famille. Dans ma famille. Okay, dans ma famille. Il y a 4 membres dans ma famille. However members you have, like you can say mon fils. You can write mon my son. Then I can write ma mère, not my mère, ma fille, my daughter, my son, and ma femme, my wife. Okay, et moi, and me. So whatever your family members are, you can explain there, and you can say to the examiner, okay, this is present yourself. You can speak like this. Okay, then we have.
What do we say? Sorry to interrupt. What do we say for father-in-law?
Father-in-law. See, what do you call to father is père.
Père.
So you have to write beau père, handsome father is your father-in-law. And if you write belle mère, beautiful mother is your what do you call mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
Okay, so this is a very good word that you can write. Then mon fils, ma fille, ma femme, et moi. And then you can write, you can speak up their names also. Okay, whatever their names is, like I can say mon fils s'appelle. Okay, you can have mon fils s'appelle. Oh, wait. Canadian. Okay, mon fils s'appelle Simar, and whatever your name is, your father-in-law, mother-in-law, whatever is there, you can write down their name and so on. Okay, you can tell their names. Then you can even say their age. For example, if I talk about il a 2 ans, okay, Deux. Il a 2 ans. He has 2 years, means he is 2 years old, है ना? And we can even tell about their profession. Il est étudiant. He is a student. Okay. E with I. Then you can even tell the name of your daughter, like elle s'appelle Mania, il est étudiante. Right? Then after that, ma mère s'appelle, ma père s'appelle, ma belle-mère s'appelle, ma père s'appelle, ma fille s'appelle. You can tell all of their names and their age also. And one more line is this L.A. L.A. femme au foyer. What do you mean by this? Femme au foyer. Femme au foyer means housewife. House care, taking care of the house. Lady of the house, lady of the care. Okay, so she is lady of the care. If I talk about my wife, okay, then you can even write j'habite dans un appartement. Appartement. I live in an apartment or I live in une maison. You can even write une maison. Une maison. In a house or in an apartment. Okay, then you can say il y a, there are 3 chambres, 3 rooms. Dans ma appartement or dans ma maison. Okay, there are il y a 4 chambres, you can say il y a 2 chambres, whatever the number of chambres are. Okay, then you can even say dans mon appartement. ठीक है, dans mon appartement, in my apartment, there are 3 chambres dans mon appartement avec a cuisine. You can add this avec une belle, cuisine. Okay, you can join this line together. Like this. So that sentence becomes a bit longer. Okay, then you can even say I am learning French. Since how long? You can say j'apprends le français. J'apprends le français depuis 4 months. I think it's been around 4 months for Shalini ma'am, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 4 months is, however, very less, but then also we have learned a lot of topics. So this is j'apprends le français depuis 4 mois. Then you can even say pendant mon temps is during my time, free time. Okay, during my time free, we can say Indian keyboard. Then yeah, j'aime jouer, j'aime jouer aux video. Aux video means video games. It should be aux. ये गलत लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर. J'aime jouer aux. It should be je. This is the right word we should use. Okay, je video, jouer video. That is a j'adore. You can even add Indian keyboard. Regarder les films. I love to watch the films, the romantic, d'action, whatever your choice is, the comedy. Okay, mais je déteste, you can say. Then you have to say Canadian keyboard, and this is DEST. Yes, detest. Lave Tulamatin. Tulamatin means early in the morning. Okay. So this is like a short introduction about you. You can say, je m'appelle Jasprit, j'habite à Indrapuram, j'ai 30 ans, je suis indien et je suis né le 2 janvier 1979. Je suis médecin. Il a 4 membres dans ma famille. Mon fils, ma fille, ma femme et moi. Mon fils s'appelle Simar, il a 2 ans. Il est étudiant. My wife, I'm talking about ma femme, elle est femme au foyer. J'habite dans un appartement or une maison, you can say. Il a 3 chambres dans mon appartement avec une belle cuisine. J'apprends le français depuis 4 mois. Pendant mon temps libre, j'aime jouer aux jeux vidéo et j'adore regarder les films d'action, mais je déteste me lever toute la mata, or you can even say to la mata. Got the point? So this is a brief introduction of A2 level that you guys can use. Okay, ma'am, kindly read this once by your name and by your things like.
Okay. Je m'appelle Shalini, j'habite à Noida, j'ai 43 ans, je suis indienne, je suis né le 26 septembre. How do I say 1977?
1977 is like Amil. 977 is Suisant. Then 7, Seth. Suisant, Seth.
Okay.
No, these Seth. These Seth. Suisant, these Seth. 60 and 17, right?
All right. Okay. Je suis professeur. Il y a 4 membres dans ma famille. Mon mari, mon fils, mon beau-père et moi. Mon mari s'appelle Nitin. Mon fils s'appelle Siddharth. Mon beau s'appelle Monsieur Kapoor. Mon mari a 40 ans. Mon fils a 15 ans. J'habite dans un appartement. Il y a 3 chambres dans mon appartement avec une belle cuisine. J'apprends. How will I say I am learning?
J'apprends, not prendre.
J'apprends.
Yes.
J'apprends le français depuis 4 mois. J'apprends le français depuis 4 mois. Pendant mon temps libre, j'aime jouer au video game का क्या था? How do I pronounce that?
Man, this is video.
J'aime jouer au jeu vidéo et j'adore regarder le film d'action. Mais je déteste me lever tout le matin.
Very good. Nice. Okay. Now, this is about your presentez-vous. This is first part of speaking that will come in your exam. Okay, Delph A2. Second part of exams is जैसे IELTS exam होता है, we have the cue cards and then we have the dialogue or we have the basic questions. What is your favorite color and all, like same. I'm following the pattern of IELTS exam. Okay. So let me start with this. This is your speaking part. Downloads. Okay. Download. Okay. Okay. This is your प्रोडक्शन ओरल, इसको बोलते हैं प्रोडक्शन ओरल. ओके, प्रोडक्शन ओरल डेल्फ A2. ओके, नंबर 1 is entretien dirigé, that is interview direct. That means entretien means interview direct, directly interview. Like for example, they may ask you quel est votre animal préféré या préféré. Okay, Cal A, what is your favorite animal? Then answer is, बोलो मैम आप, शालिनी मैम.
Mon animal préféré est le chien.
Le chat.
Le chat.
Okay.
No,
अच्छा,
but
you
mine
want
is
to
a
say-
dog.
Okay. You
I
want...
was answering for myself.
Yeah, good. Okay, Vidushi, you ask these questions from ma'am and she will answer. Be slow.
Est-ce que vous avez un chat à la maison?
Non, je n'ai pas un chat à la maison.
Wonderful. Yes, next.
Est-ce que vous avez une sœur?
Oui, no, what will I say? Sorry, one second.
Ma'am, J un sir, I have.
J'ai une sœur.
Yes, one sister.
Est-ce que vous avez un frère?
Oui, j'ai un frère. Aussi.
Il s'appelle comment?
Il s'appelle Sankal.
Est-ce que vous faites du sport?
Oui, je fais du nage.
Combien de fois par semaine?
Sorry, I can't understand that question.
Ma'am,
How
how
many?
many times per week? Combien de
Okay.
fois? Fois is time. How many times per semaine?
Per semaine. All right. Okay. Tula Samadhi. Tule Samedi.
Samdi. This is
Sam.
the 2 hours all the Saturdays. Right, ma'am?
Tule Samedi.
Okay. We have more questions. Okay.
Est-ce que vous aimez lire?
Non, j'aime pas trop lire.
Vous habitez où? Quelle est votre adresse?
I'm just going to read from here. Trois Rue de Cannes à Bologne.
Où étudiez-vous? À quelle école? À quel collège étudiez-vous?
Je étudie en ligne.
Ma'am, this is j'étudie. J'étudie नहीं है. J'étudie.
J'étudie.
Okay, I am
J'étudie
studying. Yeah, I study. Okay, and if you
J'étudie
are...
en.
Yes.
हाँ जी.
Vous habitez
Je-
dans un appartement? Oh, sorry. Are you?
नहीं, continue.
Vous habitez dans un appartement ou dans une maison?
J'habite dans un appartement.
Ma'am, wait.
Il
This
y
is
a
dans un.
Dans
Liaison.
un.
Ah.
Okay.
I think
J'habite
I need to take a class on liaison also. Where liaison is created, where it is not created. You said I have to take it in detail. Okay, next.
Il y a combien de chambres dans votre appartement?
Il y a 3 chambres dans mon appartement.
Est-ce qu'il y a une piscine dans votre appartement?
No,
Y a-t-il-
il n'y a. Sorry, Vidushi, go ahead.
Y a-t-il une piscine dans votre appartement?
No, il n'y a pas de piscine, pas de piscine dans mon appartement.
Vous préférez quel plat? Quel plat préférez-vous?
Mon plat préféré est le gâteau.
So what is cuckoo?
Cuckoo, I don't know. I have to check what is this I've written. I forgot. I'll check it off and let you know. Bhi.
Yes,
ठीक है.
Depuis quand apprenez-vous le français?
Ça fait 4 mois que j'apprends le français.
Quels sont vos loisirs? Quel genre de film aimez-vous regarder?
J'aime regarder les films d'action.
Je vous remercie. Maintenant, nous allons passer à la deuxième partie de l'épreuve.
Yeah, very good. This is
What does
Je
this
vous
mean?
remercie. I thank you. Maintenant, now, nous allons, we are passé, going to the ala deuxième, second part of the exam. Okay. So this is your first part of the exam. They can ask you general questions. They can ask about what do you like to read? What do you like to eat? Okay. Now coming down to second part. Second part is a monologue. Monologue is, that is the cue card. Okay. They'll give you a topic, but in, in case of IELTS exam, there are difficult questions. But in case of DELF exam, they'll give you only a small dialogue that, for example, quel est votre livre préféré et pourquoi, sorry. Okay. What is your favorite book and why? Okay. So now I've given an example, okay, of a book, how to write. And then I have also given one more question. Quel est votre preferable film? Okay. And pourquoi? So these are bit same topics. Just you have to change that, rather than writing a book, you have to write a film. Okay. So
हमने
we'll
ये
be
वाला
doing,
assignment किया हुआ है. We've done this assignment.
oh, we have
film
done.
वाला. Yeah,
When we have done in A1 or in A2?
I don't remember, but हमने ये लिखा था. I remember that.
Yes,
This is,
sir.
this is a
I've given
part
that
of,
as a homework.
okay, might be we have done in A1. This is a part of A2, however. Okay, then it's good. Then we'll just read it off once, fast. एक बार read कर लेते हैं. Okay, ma'am will read the, no, Vidushi will read the first paragraph and ma'am will read the second paragraph. These two paragraphs, Vidushi, and this paragraph by ma'am. Okay, Vidushi, start.
J'aime lire différents types de livres, mais le livre que j'aime bien lire est Le Petit Nicolas. Le Petit Nicolas est une littérature française. L'auteur de ce livre est René Goscinny. Ce livre est basé sur l'imagination. La langue de ce livre est très facile et simple à comprendre. Il est plein de connaissances. C'est pourquoi j'aime lire ce livre encore. Connaissance. C'est pourquoi j'aime lire ce livre encore et encore.
You got the meaning?
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
should I
ma'am,
say it?
What is the meaning of the last sentence?
Ma'am, see, j'aime lire different types of books. I like to read different types of books, but the book that I like most is The Petit Nicolas. The Petit Nicolas is a literature in French. The author of the book is René Goscinny, jo bhi naam hai. This book is based on the imagination. The language of the book is very easy and simple to understand. It has plenty of things to know. Connaissance is connaître verb. Okay, connaître is a verb and this is a noun. We are using it as a noun. So it becomes connaissance. C'est pourquoi. That is why I like to read the book again and again. Okay, next paragraph, ma'am.
Okay. J'aime les différents genres de livres, mais le livre que j'aime bien lire A letters from a father to his daughter. Lothier de se lire et Jawaharlal Nehru. Il est écrit en anglais. Il y a 3 chapitres dans ce livre. La langue de ce livre est très facile et simple à comprendre. Il est plein de... No. How will I pronounce the last sentence?
Ma'am, il est plein de connaissances.
Il est plein de connaissances.
Yeah, connaissance. Okay. So this is like quel film préféré et pourquoi. Okay. Now this was about monologue. Now we will be coming down to the dialogue. Okay. This was about a monologue that they'll give you a cue card and then you have to come to the dialogue. Let me move towards the dialogue. So this is a dialogue at a doctor's place. Okay, this is chez le médecin. That is at the personal place of a doctor or the doctor's chamber. So doctor will be Shalini ma'am and patient will be Vidushi. Okay.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour. Asseyez-vous.
Merci.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé?
Monsieur, je pense que j'ai de la fièvre. Je tousse beaucoup et j'ai mal à la tête et j'ai mal à la gorge aussi.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, je vais vous examiner.
And this is ne vous
D'accord.
inquiétez pas, not to worry at all. Not you worry.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, je
Very good.
vais vous examiner.
Very good.
D'accord, monsieur.
Oui, vous avez de la fièvre. Je vous donne
Fièvre.
le
देखो मैम,
fièvre.
this is fièvre.
Fièvre.
हाँ ग्राफ लगा है ना
Oui,
तो बड़ा है.
हाँ जी. Right, okay. Oui, vous avez de la fièvre. Je vous donne le médicament.
ले
Médicament. हाँ,
not love.
right. Je vous donne les médicaments. Voici l'aspirine et un sirop.
Monsieur, comment je dois les prendre?
Prenez l'aspirine 2 fois par jour après avoir mangé quelque chose. Et prenez le sirop 1 fois par jour avant de dormir.
Merci. Combien je vous dois?
Vous devez payer 3 euros à last word.
This is alakai. Alakai means at the
Alakai.
reception.
Okay.
Okay,
Vous
you
devez
must
payer.
pay. Now see, this is a form of obligation. How you are obligating, like combien je vous dois, how much I owe you. Like you have written me today, ma'am. This sentence, how much I owe you. So this is the way of talking to a doctor. Combien je vous dois. Answer is, vous devez payer 30 euros à l'accueil at the reception. You must pay 30 euros at the reception. Okay.
Right.
So this was a dialogue. So this is a brief introduction of how will the your speaking exam take place. So this is a recording of all the 3 parts of speaking exam. Kindly go through this recording 2-3 number of times so that you guys can learn it properly.